I'm having troubles with my truck. When I start it up, it makes a clicking noise. And as you rev it up, the clicking goes faster. And then at a certain point, it goes away. I will show what I'm talking about. You can't really hear it from inside. If you go out here, and then when you let off the gas, it has a rough idle. Sometimes it feels like it almost wants to stall. My oil pressure right now is fine, but usually I'd say after 15 minutes of driving, my oil pressure will go down a quarter or less, sometimes even 0, and it idles really rough and wants to stall. Like right now it's kind of idling rough, like it shakes the truck and everything. And also the clicking sounds like it's coming from the bottom of the motor. Here, I'll show you. Now I was also told that the clicking can be from an exhaust leak, and I fixed all that and it still makes a clicking. My lifters were adjusted. It wasn't my lifters. And it seems to be burning oil too. So if somebody could help, that would be great. Also, when I shut it down, it doesn't really sound good either when I shut it down. Here, I'll show. I don't know if you heard that. It makes like a knocking noise when it shuts down. Well, if someone could help and maybe tell me what is wrong or what I should do to fix it, that'd be awesome. Thank you.